What's up, everyone? Alex Cassidel here, founder of Freight Broker Mastery. In this video, I want to give you a tip on how you can set yourself apart when you are making cold calls to prospect a shipper. Because we all know these shippers get a lot of these calls every day. And so, how do you stand out? Because that's exactly what you're going to have to do if you plan on earning that shipper's business. So, that's exactly what this video is going to be about, giving you basically some tips on how to set yourself apart. Please subscribe if you have not already. So, first off, how you set yourself apart when you're prospecting shippers is you have to sound like you are a true professional. You need to come with confidence. All right. You need to come to the phone call with, this is exactly what I specialize in, working with shippers, only working with shippers like yourself. All right. So you need to come sounding like the professional, being the professional, and sounding very confident, because you're only going to get one good shot, maybe the first 15, 20 seconds of that phone call, to give your first impression as that professional. Now, this last tip I'm going to give you, how to set yourself apart, is going to be about when you're talking to the shipper and you've got some of their time, you need to make sure it's all about them. What most people do, what most brokers do when they prospect shippers, is they call the shipper and basically regurgitate to the shipper about themselves and their company, what they can do. Yes, it does make sense that a broker must tell that prospect a little bit about themselves and their company to even know if that shipper is, a prospect customer that would be a fit. Right, we get that, but not at this time. Right now, at this beginning, you need to make it all about them. And that's going to be probably the number one thing you can do to set yourself apart from everybody else who is calling that prospect, that shipper. All right. So make it all about them, and you will surprise yourself on how successful you will be at prospecting shippers, and how that can actually set you apart to gain you some momentum in that call. Please subscribe again if you haven't already. If you found some value, my name is Alex Cassidel. Take care. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.